months now, Supreme Court Justice Earl Warren and the rest of the Supreme Court has debated over the Brown v. Board of Education on whether the segregation of the schools is constitutional.
The prosecution, Attorney Thurgood Marshall, argues against segregation of schools, stating the unconstitutionality of the law, and the defense argued for segregation of schools, pushing for equal but separate.
Prior to the Supreme Court case, the policy of separate but equal instituted by the Plessy v. Ferguson case deemed segregation lawful and constitutional as long as the institutions were completely equal. However, throughout America after the case, black schools and black children continued to have inferior accommodations and services compared to white schools. Black schools tend to have the bare minimum with outdated and old supplies or no supplies at all, while the white schools were continuing to be updated and had all the new things. Although the policy of separate but equal is considered constitutional, the moral value of the policy and how it has played out has resulted in its unconstitutionality because of its implementation of the inferior belief of the African American people. I'm in need. You give me money when I'm in need. I gotta weed. I gotta weed. I gotta weed. I gotta weed.
Breaking news, the Supreme Court has come to a decision on Brown v. Board of Education.
We conclude that in the field of public education, the doctrine of separate but equal has no place. Separate educational facilities are inherently unequal. Therefore, we hold that the plaintiffs and the others similarly situated for whom the actions have been brought are, by reason of the segregation complained of, deprived of the equal protection of the laws guaranteed by the 14th Amendment.
Give me money when I'm in need. I gotta weed. I gotta weed.
With months of protesting around the country for and against the case, they have finally concluded segregation of schools is unconstitutional. Pro-desegregationalists have protested for gaining their civil rights and have fought long and hard against the anti-desegregationist racist threats.
We have a long road ahead to gain our civil rights provided to us by the Constitution, but we are now one step closer to true equality.
Yes, give me money.